Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to analyze and design another figure of steel truss. Okay, so we are going to analyze and design this member or this truss. Okay, so at first open STAAD Pro, click on new project, click on truss, select length unit meter and force unit kilonewton. You can choose the name and location. Okay, click on next, then click on add beam, then finish it. Now go to the front view. Now the length is same, so we are going to manipulate the snap node grid and height also 2 meter. Okay, so go to edit option. In the x direction it will be 2 meter. See, 2 meter. In the y direction also is 2 meter, the spacing. Then click on OK. Now in the x direction is 6 meter divided into 3 parts, so 2 2 2. In the upper is 2, so just create 3 member in the x direction and upper direction. So according to our figure, we have to create all 3 nodes as in the x direction. So create the nodes. Okay, now just close it and switch off the snap node. Great. Now we have to add these beams. Okay, so click on add beam and add the beam. Okay, so that's our figure. See, so we have to fix the support. In the right side is pin support, in the left side is fixed part support. Okay, so go to the support page, click on create, select the pinned support and also fixed part in FX and MZ released on. Add it. The pin goes to the right. Click on assign to selected nodes and assign it, and the fixed part goes to the left. On your left, assign it. Okay, now you have to give loads. At first you have to give property. Go to property page, click on section database, select your code. I'm going to select Indian and click on angle. You can give the shape what you need. I'm going to give the angle and select this angle, then add it. Make sure you have selected steel material. Okay, this is steel. It goes to the whole structure. For that we have to go to the assign to view, assign it yes. Okay, now see, go to the 3D view. What do you see? Okay, this is your 3D view. Now you have to give load. Close this dialog box, go to the load page, go to load case detail, add date, or you can select type none, add it, close it, add self weight, add the self weight and the nodal load. Okay, now this is complicated than the other video which we are designed and analyzed. Now see, on this node the load is going in the downward. Okay, and also on the upper node, 3 nodes 25, 10 and 15. So in the fy we give to minus 25, add minus 10, 15, 20, 10, add 15, add and 20, minus 20, add, close. Now self weight goes to the whole structure. For that we go to assign to view, assign yes. Now 25 goes to this node, select by node cursor, 25 to the left node. Now assign to selected nodes, assign yes. Now go to the loads. Now 10 goes to next, assign to selected nodes, assign, and 15 is go to next on the load, assign to selected nodes, assign yes. Then this one is go to from this node is down. Okay, so we have to give positive, select the node, assign to selected nodes, assign yes. Now we have to change the load. It goes to the minus. It is the same as this load. The sign is given in the downward. Okay, it is the same. The load is given on the node. Okay, so don't freak out. Now all the loads are given, and to analyze it, go to analyze, perform analyze, no print, add it, close it, go to analyze, run analyze, save. Now there is no error, no warning, no notes. So okay, go to done. Done design the truss. So go to design, still design, select your code. I'm going to select IS800, select parameters. I'm going to select FILD. Where is FILD? Here is FILD. EL strength of steel, select it. Okay, define parameters. I'm going to give the default one, add it, close it. It goes to the whole structure. So we go to the assign to view, assign okay, then go to the comments, select check code. For selecting the code, will check the structure, add, go to member takeoff, go to select. They are going to check and give the property what the structure or frame is gonna need it, and then take off. Sorry, I have assigned it to the whole structure. See, you can delete it if you want to, and you're gonna select it again, close. Now here is your. Now just assign to the whole structure, select check code, assign to view, assign yes. Steel member take off, assign to view, assign yes. Select, assign to view, assign yes. Steel take off, assign to view, assign yes. Steel take off, assign to view, assign yes. Now to analyze it, go to command, analyze, perform analyze, okay, analyze, run analyze, save. Now all, they had no warning, no error, no note, so I am done. Perfect. Go to output file, and here is a steel design, and this is fail, and then the steel design, this is pass, because we have selected the select one. They have designed it and they have give what the property has been given. Okay, now you see I give one property 2024 for all the member, see, and all fails. You can see that what is the tension member, compressed member. Now goes to steel design, the check will, the code check the loads and the property and gives what the structure gonna needed to resist the load, and see the property has been changed. 33, 60, 65. Now see, they change what will pass the load. See, now this is pass. See, 175.6. So go to property, post processing, sorry, you can see that displacement, axial force, bending moment, beam stress. Okay, you can have the reaction for the support. Okay, this side is low, this side is high. You can check the animation for deflection, apply OK. Okay, you can go to the reports, select what you need, and okay, and print out it, or you're gonna save it to PDF. Okay, so that's it. That's how you're gonna design and analyze a steel structure, another type. So keep subscribing on my channel, and thank you for watching my video.